To enable or disable AI subtitles in POCO X8 Pro, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to scroll all the way down and find the additional settings. Now scroll down and look for AI subtitles, and then you'll be able to activate it right here with record audio, and then you need to agree to the terms and conditions. You can then add the home screen shortcut to quickly access AI subtitles. You can also learn more about it by reading right here, and then we can adjust all of the features like audio source. You can change the source from which it will catch all of those subtitles. You can change the sound language which will translate from, and the target language that it will try to translate to. Then there's the text size that you can switch right here, and you can also enable floating window background with black or transparent colors. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.